Now who born this fine girl?
Guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Becky. If today is your first time of seeing my video, you are highly welcome to my channel. Thank you so much. Actually, in today's video I want to make a review about black seed oil. If anyone has followed me from my previous video where I display how to use black seed oil, how black seed oil helped me to regrow my hair, that period was only 7 weeks or 8 weeks if I'm really correct, and it works well. You know, I explained how you have to plait your hair before you could use any home remedy. So today is 15 working days that I'll be using black seed oil. It really helped me grow my hair like never before. As you guys can see, as you guys you can see, before I did not have hair. If I did not have hair from here, when I show my video, my previous video, that was 7 weeks, and I make a review that, oh my god, that I couldn't believe that I will ever have a hair from the temple. This is my temple here. I was like, oh, I will never have a hair, but I saw some video and I go online how to regrow my hair, and I saw black seed oil. I read a lot about the black seed oil, how black seed oil can be used in any area of our affect area, in any area of the, maybe in the type of a sickness, or if you have a kind of person, you have a diabetes, you can also use black seed oil for many things. I don't even know how to explain, and I checked, then I check on YouTube. I saw a lot of review about black seed oil, and I print all the handouts from internet so that I could be able to read more, and I followed the step by step according to the scholars said that at least before I could see any changes, in fact, in my hair, I should give 7 working days. And to be honest, believe me guys, after 7 days I take notice that my hair started growing. You understand? So I was like, oh my god, this thing is really work. So I plait my hair in order for me to know maybe it's growing. Then it works well. And my advice for you guys, you really have to check my previous video where I explain step by step how you can apply the black seed oil, how you can use the black seed oil also to condition your hair, to make it as a conditioner. So please guys, you really have to go and share, because today is just to make a review and to just advise people how they can take care of their hair. Please guys, I'm begging you guys, go and check the previous video before you can use black seed oil. You really have to understand the way you can use the black seed oil, okay? And you really have to know it. And this is 15 working days. As you can see guys, my hair and the hair here is going. I don't have any hair here before. If you can see the picture of my thumbnails, there's no hair there. There's no hair from here, and I do not have any hair from here. This is 15 working days guys. You can see my hair is going back. So, and before you can use black seed oil, try to plait your hair. You have to say goodbye to extension, and you have to say goodbye to Ghana must go hairstyle. Those are the things that ruin my hair. Or if you're type of a lady like me that you always like to apply color, to bleach your hair, to be a blonde girl, I think girls, you really have to give yourself a break from those areas. And and it will work. Okay, if you have a dry scalp, I'm afraid bleaching your hair or put a color or apply a color or relaxer is not good for your hair. It's going to damage the roots of your hair. It happened to me. Then I've already grown my hair, and I'm going to be making a protein. I'm going to be making a home remedy what you can be consumed to really make your hair full and strong, because sometimes sometimes you can grow your hair and the hair can damage again. Okay, what we can use to regain the hair permanently without shading or without falling apart. Okay, because some of the sometimes we grow the hair, we lost the hair, we grow the hair, we lost the hair. So I'm going to be making some good nutrition that we can be consumed, that can generate vitamins, nutrition that our scalp, our skin needs. Like for instance, like a collagen and all the vitamins, including that we can be using to beautify our skin, to get back to our oily scalp. So I'm going to be doing that. So that one is gone. And I'm going to show you guys a clip. I'm going to leave you guys with these clips, how this vampire hairdresser used to pull people's hair. Your hair that brought you a lock, your hair that brought you to where you are today, that give you luck. You understand? And this vampire hairdresser, they will be pulling people's hair in order to the hair to destroy. It's not as if destroying permanent. So may God Almighty save us and rescue us from this vampire hairdresser. You have to be careful, my lord. If you go to hairdresser, if you see the hairdresser plait number 1, number 2, you started to feel uncomfortable or you feel irritation from your scalp, my love, ask the hairdresser to lose it right immediately. And please, love, go away from there. Okay, barb your hair, put water into your hair. Like the way this my hair is, I shower my hair from morning to every morning. I put water into my hair. You understand, guys? I wash my hair, then I apply my black seed oil and what. Okay, guys, so I will advise you guys to lose your hair. If you want to barb the hair and remedy like black seed oil. I'm telling you guys, I didn't get paid to promote this. This really helped me. My voice can help. My voice could count and rescue people like me that have spent a fortune from one conditioner to one medicine to go and see GP and all these things that they've been written for me. Rebecca, go and do this. Rebecca, use this. Rebecca, use this cream. You talk about the cream that I've not applied. It gets to extent my GP told me that I have alopecia. You know, that my GP declared that I have alopecia. When my mother brought me to this world, I do not have alopecia. All these things, all this my temple hair, I'm a kind of a woman who have full hair. But when I get to Europe, I start bleaching my hair, Ghana weave, extension, long hair, you name it, you know. But now I just give myself a brain. I give myself a break. No more extension, no more color. Then I study my hair. I have a one dry scalp in this world. I have it. My scalp is very, 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 very dry. So therefore, I stay away from this relaxer, color yellow, color purple, color gray. No, I can't do it anymore, my love. This is how my God created me. I would rather be carrying my natural hair, buy any wig I want from AliExpress or wherever I want to buy my wig. Guys, I will advise you, go natural. Tell your boyfriend. I tell my boyfriend, look, I've already have my 3 kids. I'm not going to be fixing extension at the minute. I'm in holiday. No more extension. My natural hair. I'm Africa. I was born and raised in Nigeria. This is how we carry our hair in Nigeria. This is how I'm going to be carrying my hair at this period. This is how I'm going to be. Say, Rebecca, I don't care. You look beautiful. So it supports me. You have to tell your boyfriend or your husband that, look, honey, the hair is gone. is falling like a tree, or is falling like a flower, or is falling like a leaf. I can't continue my life like this. And if you go to your doctor is going to just name your hair something. Like me, they told me that I have alopecia. I do not have alopecia, my love. The hair that they gave me injection, the prescription, you name it, it didn't come out. Because I keep looping to the same problem. I keep fixing my hair. I keep shampoo my hair. I keep applying relaxer. You have to learn, you have to know who is your head. What type of hair is inside this my head? When you find out, you will now stay away from all this relaxer. It's not good. It's not good for me at all. So I've deleted all this relaxer, all this color, yellow color, pink. Look at me now. I've regained. I can't wait to go and show my GP next week when I'm off that, hello GP, I'm not alopecia, I've grown my hair. I know it's going to say, wow, wonderful, Becky, you look beautiful. So I will advise him, my takeaway, stay away from vampire hairdresser, okay? Learn how to carry your natural hair. We are beautiful, okay? This is how, if God knows that long hair is going to fit me, I should have come to this world with long hair. I think God knows that this type of hair is going to suit my life. That is how God created me. I'm going to carry my hair. I have no problem. If I do not have any problem to carry my hair like this, I don't think somebody else should have a problem by me carry my hair this way. So I love my hair, guys. So I will leave you with this clip. Stay away from vampire hairdresser. Go to all this auntie abroad to plait your children. Some people just came to abroad. They will say, oh, I used to plait hair when I was in Nigeria. Back in Africa, I have a salon, I have a this, I'm telling you, no, they only learn it when they are coming to abroad. They have no clue what is coming out from their mouth. Okay, guys? Video, if you like my YouTube video, please click the subscribe button. Share my video with your neighbor, with your friends. Please continue to subscribe to my channel. Continue to help me to share my video. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye for now.
Oh no. Push me back to where we started.
Come make I rock your body. I know say you like the money.
Aye.
Come make I rock your body.
Aye.
Who called your phone? Some chick just called your phone.
I beg, please. Nobody, I don't know anybody.